Hi, I'm Margaret.
So we're so happy. Margaret's so happy because she got this special, it's a limited edition for Christmas gift for herself. And let's just unbox it. We just got it, yeah. So let's see. We got this one, and this is wow. Okay, so this is the menu. And yeah, so we have this one, this barcode. You can scan the barcode.
Okay.
And then you can download the app.
Oh, okay.
The very app. And this, okay, this is our device.
Looks so cool.
Yeah, it's very cool. And you can just like press a button and turn it on. It's very simple, it's very sleek. And you have this one, you can actually put on this. I think direction also matters, and you wanted to put on that and you see the green light and it's charging.
Okay.
So it's very nice. It's not battery operated.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So it's so cool. So and then when you have this, and this is like you can use anywhere you want it. Okay. So remember when you tried the first time, we tried that on your neck and shoulder, right?
Yes.
And how did you feel?
Oh,
Only 5 minutes, right?
yes, it was only 5 minutes and there was a significant difference. My jawline was lifted, and I couldn't believe it when I saw it. I even went home afterwards and asked my husband whether if he could see a difference, and he looked and he said, yeah, one side looks lifted.
The face got lifted. Now, I forgot to take a picture because you were in a rush to go. And so when we do demo, we actually normally do just a 5 minute like neck and shoulder demo, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you actually have the neck and shoulder relaxed, because this goes like all the way deeper, deeper level. And then if your neck shoulder get relaxed and your circulation is better, then your face get lifted.
I see.
Yeah. So when you get this one, and what do you want to use this for?
Then this also does the detox, I forgot what it's called.
And yeah, so it helps you with your pain, massage, everything, because you're working on the computer a lot, right?
Yes.
And so then you wanted to work on that for your neck and shoulder.
Yes, that's correct. And I did have a frozen shoulder. I'm recovering from a frozen shoulder, and there's still a little bit of tension there, and so I'm hoping that this device will help eliminate my problems. My shoulder problems.
That's great. I'm sure it will definitely help. Yeah, you can use that maybe like every day or every other day. And then you also wanted to use that for like lifting face and sculpting, like it's like tightening up your belly, everything. So that would be something good for you to do that too.
Okay.
And another thing, your daughter's swimming, and after her swimming, you can use that to massage her muscle.
Relax it.
Yeah, relax that, because we have this is 3 areas. Like the third area will be a post-workout muscle relaxation.
Okay.
And actually, if you work on, because I know like she swims and she does a lot of competitive swimming,
Yes.
and if you use that on her muscle after swimming, it's just gonna be great, and she will feel great. So there, and also you can use that for your husband massage. Your husband like neck, shoulder, or any area. So and if your husband goes exercise, then they can use that as well.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this
Sounds
is
like a great product.
So that's a great one. If anyone wanted to try, then come over, and if you want to try, we can do like 5 minute demo, and you will definitely feel the difference
Yes, and I felt the difference, and I saw the difference.
in 5 minutes. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
just 5 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Bye.